5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. This appeal is directed against the order of the learned single judge dated 25th April 1984, whereby the appeal filed by the claimants against the order of the tribunal was dismissed. Stop. Briefly, the facts of the case are as under. Lakshman Dutt Sastri was travelling in the bus CHW 104 when he met with an accident at Ludhiana with truck number JKN 8135. Stop. It was in the accident that Lakshman Dutt Shastri sustained injuries and died. Stop. The public appellants Srimati Rameshwari, widow of Lakshman Dutt Sastri, and his two sons, namely Sanjay Kumar and Satpal Sharma (appellants numbers 2 and 3) filed a claim petition before the tribunal. Stop. The tribunal dismissed the same by holding that the appellants failed to establish as to by whose negligence the accident took place. Stop. The claim petition was also dismissed on the ground that there was no record to establish the loss suffered by the claimants. Stop. In appeal, the learned single judge, after examination the record, came to the conclusion that it was not established as to who was actually responsible for the accident. Stop. It has also been found by the learned single judge that even if it be taken that the accident had occurred on account of the negligence of either or both the vehicles involved therein, there was no material on record to establish the loss, if any, suffered by the claimants on account of the death of the deceased. Stop. In view of the finding that there was no evidence to establish the loss suffered by the claimants on account of the death of the deceased, the claim petition could not have been decreed. Stop. The view taken by the learned single judge, in our opinion, is correct and no interference is called for. Stop. The appeal is accordingly dismissed. Stop. The parties are directed to bear their own cost. Stop. This appeal was filed by Sri V.P. Sharda, advocate, who has since died. Stop. Nobody has put in appearance in support of this appeal. Stop. A copy of this judgment be sent to the claimants by registered post for their information. Stop. It is made clear that in case the claimants come to this court for re-agitating the matter, it will be open to them to make an application for recalling of this order. Stop. Stanza. Kausalya Devi, landlord petitioner (hereinafter referred to as the landlord) filed an application before the rent controller Cathal for eviction of the tenant respondent (hereinafter referred to as the respondent) from the premises in dispute on the plea that she is the owner of the premises which are in occupation of the respondent on a monthly rent of rupees 12 on the ground of personal necessity stop. According to the landlord, she was also in occupation of the premises at Cathal belonging to her husband stop, as she was not on good terms with her husband. He had desired her to evict the same, and therefore she wanted the premises in dispute for her personal occupation stop. She sought eviction of the tenant from the premises in dispute on the ground of personal necessity stop. Other grounds were also taken up, but the same were not pressed before the rent controller, and therefore not adjudicated upon by the courts below, and hence no reference is being made to the other grounds taken by the landlord. Stop over.